Hello, lovely YouTube family. What's going on? The best approach to clear, glowing skin is to target the issue at its root. Time to put your serums and spot treatments aside for just a sec and listen to your body. So in this video, we're going to take a look at the top 5 anti-acne drinks that will fight all your acne woes from the inside out and have body and skin benefits. Are you curious? Then sit back, relax, and watch the whole video. Spearmint tea. Spearmint tea is a drink to reduce testosterone levels, which in turn helps prevent excess hair growth and acne along the upper lip, chin, and jaw. In addition to preventing hair growth, green tea contains antioxidants called polyphenols, which studies have shown to help reduce inflammation and prevent dehydration. You need to drink quite a bit though to see results. Recommends 3 cups of hot or iced spearmint tea per day. If consumed daily, 1 to 2 cups of organic spearmint tea can reduce acne breakouts by 25% to 50%, and this information is well documented by dermatologists. It can also keep those stubborn zits at bay. Spearmint tea is said to be the most potent mint to kill acne-causing bacteria and yeast, and has anti-inflammatory properties that can calm active acne. Boosts immune system. Spearmint drink have an antibacterial capacity that can help to stave off infections. Eliminates nausea. Spearmint drink can soothe your stomach because of the anti-inflammatory effects, which also help with cramping, bloating, and constipation. Drinking spearmint tea calms down my body in general, so any nausea caused by mental indispositions is calmed down by soothing my mind and thoughts. Balances hormone levels. Spearmint drink can impact the hormonal balance within your body and thus regulates your mood and also energy cycles that are ruled by our hormones. Reduces inflammation. Spearmint tea can help soothe a sore throat and tightness in the chest, and can also help with acne. More on this topic at the TCM section below. I also applied spearmint oil to my temples, and it helped me reduce the headache and also nausea caused by migraine. Lemongrass and turmeric tea. The pairing of these antifungal and antibacterial ingredients helps to ward off acne, pimples, and rashes. Lemongrass, turmeric, and black powder brewed fresh with a cap of evening primrose oil and lavender sticks works as the perfect tea blend for PCOD-related acne. Turmeric contains a compound named curcumin, which possesses antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. You can also add turmeric to soups, stews, or drink a cup of lukewarm turmeric milk. Turmeric contains antioxidants and components which are anti-inflammatory. These features can give skin a glow and luster. Turmeric can also rekindle the skin by taking its natural glow out. The turmeric's antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties will improve the psoriasis by reducing flares and other symptoms. The curcumin found in turmeric can help wounds heal by decreasing inflammation and oxidation. It also lowers the response of your body to cutaneous wounds. This results in your wounds healing more quickly. Reports have shown that the turmeric may also have a beneficial impact on tissue and collagen. The Life Sciences Journal suggests that curcumin be used as an improved solution for better function on skin wounds. Matcha tea. Along with a bevy of other incredible health benefits, this trendy drink is chock full of antioxidants, including epigallocatechin gallate, or EGCG, to help counteract the sebum oxidation that occurs before acne forms. Ingesting antioxidants also helps to reduce signs of inflammation from the inside out. Given that matcha has 137 times more antioxidants than plain old green tea, you can rest assured you're getting a hefty dose with each drink. Because matcha has EGCG, that powerful antioxidant we mentioned earlier, it's great for treating a whole host of skin irritations and diseases involving redness and inflammation. Its soothing coolness can help reduce redness from acne, rosacea, and other skin conditions. The caffeine and tannins in matcha can help reduce puffy eyes and dark circles, giving you a refreshed look, even if you didn't get a great night of sleep. Plus, its vitamin-rich makeup means it's actually imparting beneficial nutrients into your skin when applied topically. It also cleanses and detoxes your skin in a natural and gentle way. Kefir. The gut is significantly linked to your skin health, which is why ingesting probiotics from sources like kefir is good for counteracting bad bacteria and reducing inflammation. The lactoferrin protein gives extra blemish-fighting strength to kefir. Participants who consumed fermented milk with 200 milligrams of lactoferrin daily reported a nearly 39% reduction in inflammatory acne lesions over 12 weeks in one research. The health benefits of kefir are not just for digestion, they actually influence other parts of your body, including your immune system, heart, and inflammation. The effects of kefir are not always immediate, and drinking one glass of kefir will not solve your problems. Studies show that kefir can improve health when people drink it regularly, usually daily, for 2 to 4 weeks. Kefir can also help you by contributing to the maintenance of normal vision, maintenance of normal bones, maintenance of normal teeth, normal blood clotting, maintenance of normal mucous membranes, normal function of cell membranes, normal iron metabolism, normal functioning of the nervous system, and normal red blood cell formation. Dandelion chai. Your skin and body are linked, so if you want to combat those pimples, make yourself a cup of delicious dandelion chai tea. Both ingredients support the internal systems of your body, such as your gut, your liver, your immune system, etc. Dandelion root not only helps with the liver detoxification process, it also heals adrenal fatigue. You want to make sure your adrenal glands aren't overworked because that can lead to inflammation and, you guessed it, acne. Chai is also beneficial because it calms down irritation and redness and improves digestion for that healthy gut. Acne is often caused by hormonal changes. During hormonal fluctuations, the sebaceous glands secrete extra oil. When mixed with dead skin, the pores can get blocked, preventing toxic substances from escaping. This blockage causes infection and results in acne. The diuretic and detoxing nature of dandelion helps to regulate hormones, facilitating removal of toxins through sweat, bile, and urine. Dandelion drink or leaf is diuretic, meaning it promotes urination, thereby helping weight loss without side effects. It also removes toxic substances from the kidneys and entire urinary system. Plus, its disinfectant properties inhibit bacterial growth, preventing future UTIs. That's it from this video. We hope you liked it. The comments section is all yours. Do tell us your suggestions about next videos. Hit like and subscribe to this channel, and also press the bell icon for more interesting videos. Bye-bye!